Very good morning, students. Today we will study chapter number 9, a Brahmin and three crooks. Brahmin, it's a caste, and also we call Brahmin to the devotees of God. The one who worships God. And crooks meaning is very much cunning. So let's get into the story. And the story here is there was one Brahman and he was very much poor. So what he used to live in a hut with his wife and two children. And he used to worship the god of rain. But it was a month of Magh. Month of Magh means it's a month in Hindi calendar. As we have January, February in English calendar, same there is one Hindi calendar and it's a name of month. Magh is a name of month in Hindi calendar. At that time, sun was shining so brightly and there were no signs of rain. So he thought that he will worship the rain of God by sacrificing a lamb to the rain god. He thought that he will offer that lamb to rain god. So what he did, he went to the town and one rich and kind man gifted him a healthy lamb. When he went to the town, so one rich and kind man gifted him one lamb for the sacrifice, for offering that lamb. He gifted him a lamb for offering to rain god. He carried that lamb on his shoulders and began his journey back to his home. What he did? He carried that lamb on his shoulder and he began his journey back to the home. But when he was walking to home, he has to pass through a jungle. At that jungle, three crooks were strolling in the jungle. Means three cunning people, they saw that Brahmin carrying a lamb on his shoulder. So they thought, now we will fool this Brahman, now we will trick this Brahmin and we will take away the lamb from him. So what these crooks decided? They decided that they will trick Brahmin and they will take that lamb away. So one of them went to Brahmin and said politely, "You are such a fool, you are such a great worshipper, but why are you carrying this dog on your shoulders? This may be ridicule upon you. Don't you know it is a sin to touch a dog or a dead animal?" Brahman got very much angry because he was very confident enough that he was carrying a lamb on his shoulders. So he said to that fellow, "You stupid, you don't know that I am carrying a lamb, not a dog, on my shoulders? Are you blind? Can't you see?" So he walked away. That crook walked away. Now Brahman was walking again, but he walked a little distance and another crook came across his way. And what he said? He said, "Sir, it's very strange that you are carrying a dead calf on your shoulder." What is calf? Calf is a little one of baby of cow. We can say a baby of cow. Okay. So he said, "It's very strange that you are carrying a dead calf on your shoulders. The man who touches dead animal has to undergo various purification rites." He was like, now the Brahman was a bit confused. He was a bit puzzled. However, he still didn't believe that person, and he asked him, "Are you blind too? Means can't you see all? You can't also see? This is a live lamb and I am going to sacrifice it to the god of rain." The second crook said, "All right, sir, I'm fool. Do whatever you want to do." And he went. But now the Brahman was confused and he began to think, okay, now 2% told me that the animal I am carrying on my shoulder is not a lamb. Are they right? Means, am I not carrying a lamb on my shoulders? He was now confused. Few minutes later, another crook went to Brahman and what he said, "Sir, what I am seeing, you are such a great worshipper of God of rain and you are carrying this donkey on your shoulders. And what if other peoples will watch you carrying this donkey on your shoulder? They will laugh and your wife will laugh too. So please let this donkey go." So now the poor Brahman was very much confused and now he was somewhat sure that the animal he is carrying on his shoulder is not a lamb but something else. He thought the animal he is carrying on his shoulder is not a lamb. So he threw the lamb away and went to his home empty handed. He threw that lamb and went to his home empty-handed. Means without carrying anything. The crooks took that lamb away and had a great feast of it. Now what the crooks did? They took that lamb away and now they had a feast of it. They had a party of it. So children, what's the moral of this story? This story tells us that we should not let ourselves be misled by the trickery of wicked people, that we should not get into we should not believe other people sometime, and we should always be confident, and we should always be careful, because some tricky people, some wicked people can trick us, they can make us fools. So we should always be confident enough, otherwise we can be tricked by cunning people. So let's get into the exercise. First is fill in the blanks. The Brahman used to dash the god of rain. The Brahman used to worship the god of rain. Second is the Brahman decided to dash a lamb to the god. The Brahman decided to sacrifice a lamb to the god. Three dash were strolling in the jungle. Three crooks were strolling in the jungle. Brahman threw the dash away. Brahman threw the lamb away. Second, write true and false. The Brahmin was a simple man. Yes, this is true. Brahmin was a simple man. Brahmin bought a beautiful lamp. This is also true. Brahmin bought a beautiful lamp. There were two crooks in the story. This is false, because there were three crooks in the story. The Brahman sacrificed the lamb. No, Brahman was not able to sacrifice the lamb, as he was fooled by three crooks. So what he did? He threw that lamb away. So he was not able to sacrifice the lamb. So this is false. Fill in the letters. First one is Brahmin, then lamb, then sacrifice, animal, crook and donkey. Thank you.